Good morning, viewer. Biendas here. Here's a breaking news. Yeah. Despite their formidable bodies, male gorillas are lacking in one particular area of their anatomy. They have the smallest penises and testes of all apes and produce a low amount of sperm that neither swims fast nor binds easily to eggs. In fact, their reproductive systems may be functioning at the lowest level possible for a mammal. With gorillas sharing a common ancestors and over 98% of their DNA with humans, the genetics behind their abnormal genitals and sperm might hold answers about infertility in men. A university at Buffalo-led research team has found that, indeed, some of the same genes whose mutations gave rise to a low-functioning male gorilla reproductive systems may also be responsible for human male infertility. In a study published May 9 in Life, researchers identified 109 reproductive related gorilla genes that are often mutated when present in infertile men. Yeah, there are likely even more yet to be identified. We have a set of genes that are involved in sperm biology and have the signature of harmful mutations when in gorillas. We can then look at those same genes in infertile men and see if they have mutations, says the studies lead author Vincent Lynch, PhD, Associate Professor of Biological Sciences in the UB College of Arts and Science. Here the gorilla genomes essentially acts as a discovery tool for finding candidate genes for human male fertility that we previously would not have been able to identify. Men gorillas' small genitals and low sperm count can be attributed to their polygynous mating system. The alpha male silverback's intimidating figure gives him near exclusive accesses to the females in his group. So his sperm does not compete with other males' sperm within the female reproductive tract. There are two ways to compete for mates. You can either use your body or your sperm alliances. Most mammals use a combination of both, but gorillas use only their bodies. This lack of sperm competition likely led to the evolution of small testicles with few sperm producing cells as well as structurally abnormal and immotile sperm. These kinds of harmful gene mutations would normally be deleted from a population through what's known as purifying selection. Yet, sometimes purifying selection is so relaxed that mutation become fixed within a species over time. The UV-led research team wondered if identifying relaxed genes in gorillas could lead to identifying genes crucial to human fertility. Infertility affects approximately 5 to 7% of couples worldwide, but yet to underlying genetics are not well understood. For one thing, there is roughly 22,000 genes in a single person. Even if a mutation is found is one of them too, it's hard to know whether it is impacting the ability to reproduce. So rather than looking at all of man's genes for rare mutations, you could look at only those genes whose gorilla counterparts cause abnormal sperm biology, says Jacob Bowman, PhD, a postdoctoral researcher in Lynch Lab and the study's author. Behind this exclusive report.